Good day everybody. We got this question: integral square root of 5 negative x divided by x negative square root of x over 5 negative x. So foremost, what I would like to do is I would like to rewrite this. Let us consider the given integral. What has been given? We've been given integral 0 to 1. I'm going to rewrite this as root of 5 negative x over root of x times dx. I'm distributing dx, followed by integral 0 to 1 root of x divided by root of 5 negative x times the dx. So let me consider this quantity first. Let us evaluate integral 0 to 1 root of 5 negative x divided by root of x times dx first. Now what I wish to do, I would like to use integration by parts. So let me take u to be as root of 5 negative x and dv to be as dx divided by root of x. Now integration by parts formula is u dv is equal to uv negative integral v du. So this is the formula we would have to utilize. So I differentiate this. Now this is actually 5 negative x raised to the power of 1 over 2. If you were to find du, this is going to be 1 over 2 times 5 negative x raised to the power of 1 over 2 negative 1 multiplied with the coefficient or the differentiation of x, which is going to be negative 1 times dx. So this can be rewritten as 5 negative x 1 over 2 minus 1, that's going to be negative 1 over 2. You have a negative sign, so place the negative sign with this dx. Now this can be further rewritten by pushing this down. It's going to be 1 over 2 times root of 5 negative x with the negative sign followed by dx. So this is my du. Fair enough. Now let me obtain v. For that you integrate both sides. So when you integrate, on the left you get v. Now this is nothing but integral x raised to the power of 1 over 2 with a negative sign times dx. So if you were to integrate this, you get x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by negative 1 over 2 plus 1. This is nothing but x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1. That is going to give you a positive 1 over 2 divided by positive 1 over 2. You can flip 2, you get 2 times x raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is nothing but root of x. Fair enough. So now substitute all these values over here. So this is equal to u. My u is 5 negative x raised to the power of 1 over 2, and my dv is taken to be as my v. I can't go to the left side. I have to take the v. My v is what's my v? 2 into root of x. So this is 2 into root of x. The limits are 0 to 1. Substitute that, followed by a negative sign. My v is 2 times the root of x. My du is this quantity. So I need to place this dx divided by negative sign. So this is going to become positive. And I get a 2 times root of 5 negative x. So what is this? This is nothing but integral. My u is 5 negative x raised to the power of 1 over 2. I'm going to place this in this fashion. And my dv is the quantity dx over root x. So this is dx over root of x, and the limits are 0 to 1. This is the quantity that we are considered, and this is the outcome. Now I can rewrite this as 2 times root of x times root of 5 negative x. The limits are 0 to 1. Positive 2 can be cancelled. I get root of x divided by root of 5 negative x times dx. Now what I wish to do, I would like to replace this by this over here. Okay, let me consider this to be as 1. So I'm going to replace this by the value that I've got here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So therefore 1 can be rewritten as, in place of this is going to go in. So it's going to be 2 times root of x times root of 5 negative x. The limits are 0 to 1 plus integral root of x divided by root of 5 negative x times dx, followed by this quantity. So let me place the value. That's going to be negative. This has got a negative sign. So negative 0 to 1 root of x divided by root of 5 negative x times dx. Now clearly this is a positive sign. Root of x divided by root of 5 negative x can be cancelled with root of x divided by 5 negative x. So these two go away, and thereby I have got 2 times root of x. So I substitute the upper limit. If I were to substitute the upper limit, this is going to be root of 1 times root of 5 negative 1. This is one quantity, minus I substitute the lower limit. It's going to be root of 0 times all other components is going to be giving me 0. So 5 negative 0. So this will vanish. So what I've got 2 times root of 1 will be 1, and root of 5 negative 1, which is going to be 4. This will produce me 2 times 2, which is going to be 4 units, right? So this it's not okay. Yeah, root of 4 is going to be 2. 2 into 2 is going to be 4. So that is the final solution for this question. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, enjoy your day. Thank you.